You don't want to talk me so more. Say, why? What's wrong?
What was that about?
Are you talking about the drama?
Yes, the drama I saw over there. Like, and you know, I catch some girls who only on money be and now lift or say man lift keke no and now all kasa to say I'd say only na be na say or try to open dog in an I don't understand because any kasa I'd say one na be na or try your best oh me no person dog in na on some piece of because that's how I see it. Yeah, sure say whatever you told me is the truth. Because babe, I don't get it.
Babe, what happened then? I think say you can attest to the fact say I was trying to avoid her. Until Ubia or my girlfriend. And one person my man left. Me say no. My man left. I mean, doesn't make sense.
I mean, it doesn't make sense. That is how I say man kasa or honor as a man cause any drama as well. No. But what I'm trying to say is it's a lift keke no. Lift keke no okay. My back. Patch on my left, Mr. Mao, and I no drama, baby.
I think, say, you heard the conversation. You said, even say, you didn't hear cry, you heard part of the conversation. What she said was, me minti wakujai nikuno. He didn't say, only me. But she never said so.
Because they sit there in a won't. Only woman assurance be I say, woman assurance be I say, or no be dictate and I say. Or no between na is sit down our big na way so and just because there's a brown country is open on country say one person and now country is open so you be yes you are a nice guy so one man show and say on any better now I think that is the reason why I also wako join the and the boyfriend
and you would think say many obitifia many tia say owoga Messi mini panel so kutina and I'm a command pan assurance. So on join the kunam and on join the boy and for what reason should I do that?
Babe, I don't know what is going on, but for the meantime, I don't think say we can have anything intimate until say my fisherman who said this is whatever you are telling me is true. That is the truth. I mean, you know I don't lie. I go straight to the point. For what I'm seeing, you know. I trust you though, but it's not 100% trust that I have for you because sake of what I'm seeing. And see, if you will accept before you get intimate, you know, I think that I have to relax my time. I have to take my time and find out the real truth about all this drama because I don't get it. And I know that if you didn't come in because of sex, then I think that shouldn't bother you. Another how? Do you have a problem with that?
Do you know, sir? Do you realize, relationship, the basis of relationship is the foundation. And just imagine, if the foundation should be like this, how can we build?
Should be like what? What are you insinuating? Because I said I want to check something before
it's not about you preventing me from even the sex. No.
Are you talking about trust?
It's like, yeah.
Exactly. I want to trust you. That is why I want to
build on trust.
I know.
The foundation of this whole thing should be trust. Trust, loyalty.
You know what? Just accept it, and then let's move on.
Babe, I think my main packing in Kasai because this thing, I think we should pack and go. So, are you trying to tell me, say, because of what happened, and you know, you want to deprive me of sex? Meaning, say you don't trust me.
No
just
way.
Tell me, say.
Are you trying to say that you are in because of sex?
I'm not in because of sex, but once we are dating there, babe, obviously we should be having sex.
Okay, sure, I know. Definitely, it will come. It will happen naturally. But I don't want it to be like you want it eagerly. I want to make some inquiries before. And I think, say, if you love me that much and then you are not in for that, then it shouldn't be a problem.
You want to make inquiries about me. You want to inquire about me before say only me better. Before say only me having sex.
I didn't say that.
No,
don't take it like that. That is not what I mean. What I mean is, and some will see what feel home. And I'm saying me what is true.
You don't love me anymore. And Matthias said, fine, you don't love me. For that one, I would accept. But who be inquire about me? Already, who by Maccabi Piatro say this? What happened? and all that.
You are getting me all wrong. I didn't say I didn't love you.
Boys now could be definitely they will tell you say.
I didn't say I didn't love you. You are getting me wrong.
Babe,
what?
Would
you know what?
finish?
I think you should accept what I'm saying. If you love me, you should accept it.
Would you let me finish,
okay.
Please? Ukobusa ladies now. They are not make show. They know say me know I started something. Do you think say on bekas and power family one? Ukobusa guys names what? And what they say cry. And why now Ukobisa me once me free?
Okay, me Kobisa obia sem, me Kobisa ho asem free obia ho. De empese me yene se me am de me ni betu fom. Who said de me hu no ye no kra na nye no kra. And I think say babe, open me am nka se me Kobisa obia ho. No, it hasn't gotten to that point. Say me person me Kobisa obi ansana. I'll come and have something with you because I know what is going on inside there. Obi wa ho adwe bone kra. There's no way I beka ho asem paire. Actually me. So definitely the thing is I want to me person me na me family to form on my own. Na me shishemu say de me dream no way no cry you understand, then we take it up from there. I beg, if you really want me, then I think you should accept this is not a big deal.
We are my disappointment.
Come on,
we are my disappointment.
Don't be
I think that for some time I'm proposing to you. You haven't said anything like this before. So if you are saying something like this, I will definitely assume, say, it's because of what happened.
No. It's not because of what happened. You see, I'm smiling. It's not because of what happened. Though what happened might be part of it.
Then give me a kiss.
Okay. So have you accepted it?
So far.
Oh, it's not going to take. No, it's not going to take much time. We are still dating.
So it can be like tomorrow.
I think.
Probably.
We didn't be free and yeah, I saw the only say me name I'll beat my day.
Yeah.
But some me contract to my big guy be and massive baby I'm a tenor mammy.
Oh, yeah, long one.
I say guy no better if you're on.
That's what doing him.
No. I am home from boy B and as a man with you winning and also more to a goodness so star including me only saying I'm going to my girlfriend crappers on me die.
Hey!
Minim I say on person didn't come and I'm the name would take and I would never where your bear ma will bussy now we see I mean say you're watching. Quasi I can do if you
are not paid that day.
May I sure. In the mess of Beffy Honum. Now the old baby Zerano. Sasso among HIV is and we're done in a woman. The good and must feel honor.
Oh, where do you say?
Because me break guy no.
Where do you
let me breaking one time. And Yaman Quamatton, a young man, three, I mean a fast adrenal. Okay. The same no worker now Beffy on my location in BPR. About how they win me. Guy now win him. Unimo crowd win him no. Na man you trying steez be. Na so nim dey met me
for real. We cry dey sha.
Enu nti na
me cry dey ya rofo adwuma cry we dey metenete.
Yenin komo.
Wan say adwuma na dey ama me no. Enye easy. So kugu obi animu asesa no. Enya asam ketoa. Ebe kakra ire mu afo nyina be nso wo HIV.
Kunenu ase.
And since I know so many huge, and I'm me from a kumum, me more than 9 years, Jumana
can be.
So, dear, so while you may paddy that dance, no, the woman 5,000. It's not bad.
Catherine, 5 is to be so can 5,000.
Now, I'm a corner chum, so let me see 2 hours.
What me was or a calm guy, but or a cow. Me cram in the season. What me more, a bet tonnesso. And we know the we share what they were room, my 15. Why? Oh, Yemians, I'll be a job.
David. Let me say the cries and 15.
Not until I'll do my baby to see them.
Oh, David, and woman. Also, me meet me family home some style because she am about to who some and be good anymore. Because I mean, my year no, tata me. I'm also to be
5 kid. I'm not in the 5 kid. I'm not in the Why?
Oh, there because of you, the onion 3.
Cut.
3.
I'm 5 counting 2,000. I see. I mean, much of this can be more. Na brother, you man. Only the guy they say me girlfriend and I'm sure anyhow.
Na me ntia se o ntimi kan hwe girls no so more boys into no more.
Enra na jokra na me pe bi atafre de girl na kire no.
Wo bie mu ama keke no so mpese obebie keke. Ade a watu a.
Ko kan woni guy na sam nti no ne buofu.
Send some.
Yeah, you man for HIV is but to guys so simple.
I know they be cry back home.
And you nyame adom out na.
They when you na back home. E train you na. E hone dey.
Na HIV is no kwa.
E hone hia pa.
Because ya anya careful aga and dey can be dwan kan ofio. Obeta frame ade nyina. And you dey watch na no mehwe wani. Kwan ya wo sister. E de ben nam so ofie ho. Awe ho. Oba sebe mabeji wo frɛ busuafo nsɛm mabe wale na me na obetena menene tifes na kan tesa na sesei die wasesa ne sɛ abrantie bia betena fie afofra na beti wote sɛ matwoma akoa bi ye fa no na agi me hu sɛ ai me hu sɛ woni wo sister ne ntem no min suru a meka kyerɛ sɛ wona ne wo bibiye otimi didi na matam e wona nimu nyina and that grow
o se o te say na je ne de me minim na je no
me do wa ye no fanboy bi wo fie ho no a anya sam keto akura so ke kan me wo hotibo mu me wo yitibo mu
me pa cho asem na wo ka no ye sure
na maka bi a che da ti me pese wo bo wo busuafo wo bo ma me ni wo mo ma ne ma me se wo nua ne su ban a o de te ade enye
Venza sa oh, what if I'm matching your maybe a sepa? Oh, dear, and Cassambre, minim dear mayor. Why,
sir?
Minim dear mayor pa. Hey,
and one minim the work of Ablantian. Say, on Tibbo and wood jai, not new coon, menim, me menim, Berman and him now, yammy. Ubeton on issue took room, no one is a hat, one in ha, and simply.
O de no na makacho no kwa kuma tu yem why me hu hawa o de me hu hawa me no why
eh minim say on tesa na chese me nwanwa ana mo fie ezuban wo
ya me entesa na me nim de enti a o yesa
oba walefo me da me no enti tu ho na mo ni mo ya ma me why
mate
why
why okay
that's it.
Okay, Matia.
Yo.
And the Echi, why?
Miss you, baby Anna. Miss you, Constable.
Okay. No problem.
Wow. Mo fie mo de mo ho ofo. Sa ho ofo ye na ja.
Mame. Sure. Mame. Me fera wan Johnny. No, me hunu wan. Go to gumi komunale.
Babe. You still want steady me.
Oh, my steady you the bad. I don't know steady me. Let me have some share like me and Casacam. I'm a feeling like and then you ready. And you remember course.
And was this here and you made time?
Yes, I'll punk up and tell the same. And you may also any power of fears and
that's in Sandra, you may not assign to any son of me.
Oh, 20 minutes.
Mame. Sure. Mame. Me fera wan Johnny. No, me hunu wana. Go to gumi komunale. Frona wamba wano Johnny. Mame. The gua chidi mame.
Intimate. Nipa of you can't hear Musana as a very long story. So
me the yato.
I don't get it.
So then you may know you may
know be a shiny fee.
You may not be baby.
So show them now you be video and do not me but if you are not a more around what you take. Oh, boys, so if you have what's it? Kind of Nana. Hey! Nana, wouldn't just a wild genius, a wood Johnny me but mamma can't all Johnny Yankupa, what tenants, what can I say? What can I say? Because Yankupa, we are singing Nayanidia. Wouldn't ye? Now with him, so one me, Mammy Yaliana with Johnny call. What's going on? Wouldn't ye? Hey, you're out the mamma. You saw the mamma.
mama na ka ho na mbo ho ka. Yale na de mama no ho na mbo me ho ka. Me come some serious father catch am say me nya botre. Are you normal? Are you okay? Me ba so me ba. Why you me so be mama ya re? No, let me talk. Sister. Why you me so be mama ya re? What's going on? What's going on? Oh,
go to gumi komunale frona wamba wabba no jam mame the gua chiri mame
I don't know what's going on.
Me so be mouth. Me so be mouth. Me so be mouth.
I don't even know. Hey, Gwagwas.
Na wo yede desa ana na kasare asem.
Gwagwas. Me dey koso. Me dey koso. Wonko ba bia.
Ojina odwane.
E bia me so bi ma no.
Edi asem.
Ane sanabe.
Ejede ba asem.
Ya no ane sanambe.
Gwagwas so kasade efiao.
Eja wo hia me no ye single na me so ye single. Na so yan kan yan to mama. What you say? Aye papa. Ana me pene man no. Me se me pene man na me ne hia mu ba ko pe ma hu papa yi biom. Since then me yare me nkonko check here for me HIV. When said, "Ten beer make it some beer, some person any bride, the other boy in a few, Miss Cassanka. A classic come by say, come to the channel.
Now where's the free here? I ni abri. Where's the free here?
O frame se wo nua na me ron. Dia wo ye bia usuma senyoma wo ye bia no me hu ate. Usuma senyoma bia wo ye bia me hu. Nyame na bia wo kan. Na nyame ene somoi. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hey, we chabi ni be mo nie. Be mo ni chia wo yi nua man wo nie fa. Wo ye ace ni be. Oh eso. Because of payment. Oh eso. Sister bla bla bla. Chabi ni be wo nie. Where did you answer? Hallelujah. What am I wasting? I come in and talk to me. And what am I wasting?
Say, me catch us and you read me, man. I don't pray, can
we talk in private?
What mammy, private.
What mammy is touch me.
Don't even call me. I am not your sister. I am not your sister.